Discover 80-plus unrestricted acres in Tennessee, featuring a private brick home, flowing creeks, and trails connecting every part of the property. Water features immediately capture your attention, with 2 creeks meandering through the landscape, creating serene views and supporting abundant wildlife, including whitetail deer and turkey. Multiple trails wind throughout the acreage, providing easy access to food plots, hunting stands, building sites, and potential pond locations, perfect for horseback riding, ATVs, hiking, or simply exploring your private retreat. functionality of this estate. A 4-bay detached garage is insulated, heated and cooled, and plumbed for a full bath with 200-amp service. A 60 by 64 pole barn provides ample storage, while a small livestock barn with fencing supports animals or hobby farming. The property also features an RV hookup with septic and 50-amp service, a well, and multiple building sites for future expansion. Located just minutes from the Tennessee River and Turkey Creek Marina, this estate combines privacy, recreation, and convenience. Whether you're seeking a private retreat, a family compound, or a homestead, this unrestricted 80-acre Tennessee property offers endless possibilities for outdoor living and country luxury.